When it comes to managing your properties, choosing the right software can save you time, money, and headaches. Tenant File is one of the options available. But before you commit, here are 12 things you need to know to make an informed decision. Stick around until the end, because there's a better solution you can try for free. First, Tenant File is a desktop-based software, which means you're limited to using it on the device where it's installed. Unlike cloud-based solutions, you won't have the flexibility to manage your properties on the go or from multiple devices. This could be a deal breaker if you value accessibility. Next thing, Tenant File does have a user-friendly interface for basic property management tasks like tenant tracking, payment records, and maintenance scheduling. However, the software can feel outdated compared to competitors that offer more intuitive, modern designs. The third thing is automation. While Tenant File helps organize your information, it lacks the robust automation features you'll find in cloud-based competitors. Automatic rent reminders, integrated communication tools, or advanced reporting are either limited or non-existent here. The fourth point is integrations. If you rely on tools like QuickBooks, payment gateways, or marketing platforms, Tenant File may fall short. Its lack of seamless integrations could mean more manual work for you, compared to alternatives that connect effortlessly with other systems. Next, let's talk scalability. Tenant File works well for smaller portfolios, but as your business grows, it might struggle to keep up. Cloud-based competitors often provide better solutions for larger scale property management. Sixth thing, customer support. Tenant File offers support, but it's not as comprehensive or quick as what some competitors provide. For time-sensitive issues, this could be frustrating. Moving on to mobile accessibility. Since Tenant File isn't cloud-based, it doesn't have a dedicated app for mobile devices. In today's world, this limitation puts it behind competitors who prioritize mobile-friendly solutions. The eighth thing is cost. Tenant File has a one-time license fee, which might seem appealing. However, you miss out on the continuous updates and improvements that subscription-based competitors deliver. Those updates often include new features that keep software relevant over time. Ninth, reporting. Tenant File offers basic reporting features, but they're not as customizable or detailed as what you'll find in some other platforms. If you rely on analytics to drive decisions, this could be a major limitation. The next thing is security. Because Tenant File is desktop-based, security depends heavily on your device and backup routines. Cloud-based software typically includes built-in backups and advanced security features to protect your data. 11th, learning curve. While the interface is straightforward, Tenant File might require some initial setup and manual processes. In contrast, many competitors offer guided onboarding and built-in tutorials to help you hit the ground running. Finally, updates. Tenant File receives occasional updates, but these are less frequent and impactful compared to cloud-based competitors that roll out regular improvements and respond to user feedback quickly. Tenant File is a decent option for small property managers who prefer desktop-based tools and simplicity. But if you're looking for something more modern, scalable, and loaded with automation features, we have a better solution for you. Check out our recommended option. It's cloud-based, feature-rich, and you can try it for free today.